Hi there, and welcome to our gluten-free sourdough bread masterclass. My name is Andy, and I'm here with Evelina, our co-creator, and together we're really excited to guide you through everything you need to know about baking absolutely delicious and naturally gluten-free sourdough bread at home. Over the next couple lessons, we're going to dive into the fundamental techniques and secrets behind gluten-free sourdough bread. This is our gluten-free sourdough bread baking cookbook, which is fantastic in terms of giving you all the background information that you need that kind of goes hand in hand with some of the techniques that we're going to talk about today. We're going to dive into some of the secrets of sourdough, from creating and maintaining a healthy starter, which we've talked about can be hard just in terms of, when you're first starting out, if it's brand new to you, it seems a little strange just mixing some gluten-free flours and water. It's a little bit scary, but have no fear, we are here to help you. We're going to show you how fermentation works its magic. We're also going to show you some mouth-watering loaves that look and taste like they came straight out of an artisan bakery. You might be wondering at this stage, why sourdough and why gluten-free? Well, sourdough bread isn't just about amazing flour and texture. It's also got a long fermentation process that actually boosts nutrition and helps support a healthy gut. And because we're focusing on gluten-free flours, you can enjoy all those benefits without the side effects that often come with traditional bread. This course will show you how to get the signature sourdough tang, a light but chewy crumb, and a crust that crackles, all without a speck of gluten. Whether you're brand new to baking or you're a seasoned pro looking to level up your gluten-free game, this masterclass is designed to walk you step by step towards success. We'll explore some different flours, some different binding agents, proofing methods, shaping techniques, and more. Plus, we'll share some troubleshooting tips that Evelina and I have kind of discussed over the last couple months when making and developing beautiful gluten-free sourdough bread. By the end of this course, you'll have all the knowledge and confidence you need to whip up your own show-stopping sourdough, baguettes, focaccia, pizza, bagels, and so much more. You're also going to discover how to adapt some of these recipes to your personal taste. You can adjust the flour mix and truly make this bread your own based on your personal preferences. So let's jump in and start baking. Get ready to impress your friends and family, and most importantly yourself, with the best gluten-free bread you've ever tasted. Let's go ahead and get started.
Let's get started.